Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Success number 4 is to walk 250 miles to the place that you started. What do we mean by this? Well, if we place a point on a map and do a radius of about 40 miles, that's quite a long way for most small and micro businesses. And if you then mapped out your marketplace, where everything is, every single customer potentially, every single location to advertise, every single place that you could put up promotional material, every networking meeting that was going on, every event that was happening within that 40-mile radius, you're mapping your marketplace. So sure, we've worked out who our customer we think is, we've worked out what their pain is, we've really drilled down and climbed our mountains to find out what their real problem is, and we think, yes, we can solve this problem. And now we need to assess the marketplace. We walk 250 miles. I know one of my clients actually did that meticulously, walked street by street by street, making a note of all the houses that had certain characteristics for the products he wanted to sell. So we walk 250 miles to the place we started, and we completely map the area. We go out to every event. We put little flyers up in every fish and chip shop or whatever it is that we're doing, every single hairdresser's or somewhere, a gym. We go and completely assess our marketplace and dominate that marketplace with promotional material once we've completed some of the other successes. So that's what it means to walk 250 miles and come back to the place that we started.